po sa inyo yung aking bagong multi-tire wooden plant stand garden flower pot. So, ito po guys, na-order ko po to sa AB. So, hindi ko na po siya pinakita sa inyo yung unboxing. So, ayan po siya. So, but by the way guys, I'm gonna show all my collection plants. But not all because I already show from the I already show before. So, this is guys my plants. So look at this guys. So this is the 8 layers of my, it's a beautiful wooden tire, and I bought this in AB. It's not expensive. It's cost for me 17 pounds guys. So I will show you guys my plants. So this one, the big one, and it show this one guys. So this is the name of umbrella tree. You can call also guys the starlet. So that's it guys. And this one guys is the Christmas cactus. So this is I have it a long time, and I think it's this is 5 years now guys. And the last one, and here this one guys is a jade plant, ivory plant also. This one also. I love indoor plants or outdoor plants. I love. This is also guys spider plant. So this is from my friend. She's a Vietnamese. So she also, every time I'll visit her in her shop, so I get the flowers from her. And I know her for 9 years now guys. This is also guys is Vietnamese mint or herbs, and also that is also from my friend Vietnamese. So as you can see guys, so this one I got the 2 dinosaur that watching. And look at this guys, I got the sweet potato, and soon I can harvest also that one. And this one is I got aloe vera. So that is also from my friend. And this one I got the rubber plant. Before this is small guys, but now look at that. This one also it called also star leaf, and this is umbrella tree, so you can call star leaf or money plant also, I call that also. And I got the peace lily, this one guys. So this is all my collection, and some of my plants I don't, I get a lot of plants guys, so but not at all I'm gonna show because it's already I show from before my old videos. So this one, and this one guys is the golden cactus. Yeah, so as you can see this one, and it's crawling all guys. And look at guys, as you can see. So yes, this is beautiful. And this one guys also is paper plant. So this is, it's been a long time I really want to have it, and my friends, I visit her in her shop in Townstone Market. So she asked me if I would love, if I like, so I said yes, I would love, and yes, I have this from her. Look at this guy. As you can see also guys, why they got a lot of ribbon, and you can see they got red and gold ribbon. So this is my decoration, and it's nice also if you put something for your plants. Yeah. The sweet potato guys is very easy also to grow. You can put in water, then you wait until get the root. And also I got also guys the lemongrass, but you know my lemongrass is in the other room. So this Christmas cactus guys, in November, this is they're gonna have a flower, and look at guys, it's starting already. As you can see guys, they got already buds, and it's starting well gonna have a flower. And this is, you can see all of that, it's a lot of flower, and it's very nice, it's amazing. So my son, he loves this, my new Thai flower pot. So I ordered this from AB, and it's not expensive guys. So you can see it's very nice. Yeah. It's very nice also guys if you got plants in your house, inside of the house. So yeah. This one also guys, I got also my fortune plants. So as you can see guys, check out the decoration also, and you can see it's red Christmas. That is all my plants guys, all the wind by the window. Yeah. I hope guys you enjoy watching my video, and please guys don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Tsaka, leave a comments guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sa lahat pa pong hindi nakasubscribe, please subscribe, and makakaasa po kayo na kayo po ay aking pupuntahan po ang inyong mga bahay. Maraming salamat po sa bisita po sa aking munting kubo.